How can you speak fluent and good English so that the other person also understands you well and your thoughts are also well received? So here are a few tips which I am going to share you. Please listen carefully. Number one, always prepare for your discussion. At least 20 minutes spend on your discussion, spend on your topic. Have a pen and paper. Always jot down what are bullet points for your meeting. Number two is very important, that once you have decided that this is your topic, you start the discussion with greeting. Greeting is always important. For example, good morning, how are you? Good evening, good afternoon, how are you? What are you doing? All these basic formalities you have to do while doing the discussion. Number three, make a proper eye contact. Make proper eye contact so that discussion or the conversation or your meeting is not one-sided. It is about the try to attract the attention of your boss, your participants, by making good eye contact. Number four, start frame your sentences. It will give you additional time to think, to construct your sentence properly, and then you speak it more convincingly. It is very important that you reduce the frequency of your voice whenever it is needed to be little high, little on a different scale. With your emotion you have to just pitch it, your voice, so that it is properly the message is properly sent out. The discussion is more meaningful. In coming days I am going to make a lot of new videos. Maybe this week I am going to release 4 or 5 videos with grammar, structure, what is the basic of grammar, how can I'm going to pick up few grammar topics from the very scratch or beginning. You can subscribe my channel, and then accordingly you keep learning, keep growing with me. Thanks a lot. Bye. Take care. Have a good night. Thank you.